Today I'm going to show you how I make this mouth-watering shrimp that my family always asks about. And I'm also excited to show you this CASSCAPS that I use instead of using the measuring spoons. You can see that all you need is just a twist. A twist is a quarter teaspoon of whatever you are measuring. I am so excited, so I will show you in a minute how I use it. I don't know about you, but I'm always misplacing those measuring spoons, always looking for them. I have partnered with CASSCAPS to show you how the spice bottles work. Just one twist, you get your 1 teaspoon, 2 twists, half teaspoon, and so on. And it's so much fun to use them. Twist of this is a quarter teaspoon. That's it. That's quarter teaspoon. For the salt, I need 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna do 4 twists. 1, crack, 2, 3, 4. All I use now is a 15% of your first order with the link on my bio. Don't forget to subscribe after watching the video. Share. Like. Thank you for watching. The next video will just show you